This night, 5:30, officially, plano June 29, 2011 dito po sa pagmamagandang loob ni Miss Loyola ng Fuente. Siya po si Miss Loy. Salamat po tayo sa kanya. Pagpakan natin.
Thank you, Loy.
At binigay niya itong office niya na libre. Tama ba? And alam natin biblically and from the philosophers in the past, kahit dalawa lang o tatlong tao, pero isa ang focus, ang lahat ay nakatingin sa isang objective and purpose, everything is possible. Everything is possible, but everything also has gestation period. Di ba? The law of attraction states that everything you focus on, everything you think, it will always manifest. Wala pong imposible, lahat nangyayari. But there is also a law, which is the law of gestation states that everything has a gestation period. Kaya ng sanggol, from sperm and egg, it will take 9 months to be a full-fledged human. May tanim ka ng puno ng mangga, hindi pwedeng bukas meron ka ng mangga. Everything will be possible. But when you think of success of others, that's the beginning. Anong gusto mong gawin? Pero lagi ka lang nag-dreaming and hindi mo sinisimulan ng single step, nothing will happen. And you will find out that you run out of time. Ubus na, oras mo. Hindi ka pa. We are looking for people who will never see obstacles but will always find solution in anything that we are going. May saying ng fear. Alam niyo ba yung sabihin ng fear? F-E-A-R. False events appearing real. F-E-A-R. False events appearing real. Totoo naman, di ba? Lahat ng kinatatakutan mo, nasa imagination mo lang lahat, hindi pa nangyayari. Pero akala mo totoo na. And then pag nangyari, sasabi ko na nga ba? Alam niyo ba kung bakit nangyari yung kinatatakutan niyo? Because you are everyday focusing on those things that it will happen, and everything you focus on, as the law of attraction states, will happen, it will manifest to your 5 senses. So ikaw ang gumawa nung kinatatakutan mong mangyari. Instead, ang gawin natin is to shift our focus. Instead of stating a problem, replace the word problem with the word